So next we're going to talk about type 2 hair. We're going to start getting into our hair types. So again, the reason we're not talking about type 1, which is a thing, is just because type 1 is just straight hair, and that's a whole other topic in and of itself. So we're just going to jump into type 2, which is wavy hair. So wavy hair, it's not straight, but it's not curly. And for two out of the three type 2s, it's flatter at the root and then curlier at the bottom. So let's start with type 2A. So all of the types that we talk about will have the number and then either A, B, or C. So 2A, 2B, 2C, 3A, 3B, 3C, and then 4A, 4B, and 4C. So with type 2A, this is a looser texture, kind of like that tousled, beach wave kind of thing, is what I think about when I think of type 2 hair. It doesn't have a lot of volume or a lot of definition. So this is what type 2 hair generally looks like. Like that's kind of the wave that you get. It's super, super light. It's almost straight, but not really. Um, so the thing with type 2A is because it is so close to still being straight, products can weigh down these waves a lot. Again, it doesn't have a lot of volume, so you don't want to overpower it with too many products or too heavy of a product. You want to use really light styling products like mousses or really light gels. You'd probably just want to avoid oils altogether. For probably all of the type 2s, you want to just avoid oils if you can. And even probably butters, especially. You don't want any of those are too heavy. And so Scarlett Johansson is kind of like a celebrity to look at if you're looking at what does type 2A look like on a person.